Hello and welcome back to our series. We have previously studied about condition. Now we will go for loop. Just I will print some values here. I think we have to do some loop here for getting Fibonacci series. Yes, we will study about. We have already studied and we will get loop for Fibonacci series. Let's enter number, enter a. Let's do here for we have to do something here. A is equal to 0, sorry, a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1, and we will enter n. Let's see out. Enter number. Let's see in it. See in n. Let's move from I is equal to, here I should make one variable I is equal to 0. You can make from anywhere. I is equal to 1 also. I is less than n and I plus plus. What we have to do, we have to make another variable, that is d, and we have to first see out a. We have to see out a and tab. Let's tab it plus t and end it. Now we will make the logic here. D is equal to a plus b. Now we need not a, so a is equal to b and b is equal to d. I have already explained this concept in C, and now I want to again explain what will happen here. Fibonacci series, as we know, this is 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13 and more. What happen here? The sum of these two number will be the answer of this, and this two number will be the answer of this in the Fibonacci series. Means when we add two number, and we should get the result of next number, we should get next number. That is, if we add 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, if we add 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, this is the next number of this two number. When we add this two number, we will get the answer of next number. Now what we have to do, we have to print two number first. This is, I want to print a here. Now what will happen? I am adding these two number a and b, means this is the next number after 0 and 1, and I will place this in the b and b will place in a, means a will be printing every time and it will make b is equal to 1. First it was b, a is equal to 0, and it will initializer 1 and there a result of 1, and this like it will print it. Let's run it, and I will enter some number. I will enter 3 as 0 and 1. I will enter more number. I will enter 10 here, so that it should be long as 0. This plus, if we plus this first number, we will get 1, this two number and 2, this two number and this 3, and if we add this two number and 5, 2 plus 3, and next while we add first two number, we will get the result of next number, that is next number. Let's go with while and do while loop. Let's enter number, while number is, sorry, number is less than 0, I will print cout number, and I will decrement the number n plus plus minus minus, and I will print the number in descending order. I will enter 6 6 5 4 3 2 1. We can write here ENDL. This is like the what we use this line break here. This is equal to ENDL. ENDL. Yes. Control Shift. Let's print it. I will enter 10 as 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 2 1. You know that do while for and while loop will check the condition first and it will enter to the loop, but we are going to use do while loop. It will do first, it will do something, print, sorry, it is cout number and ENDL while n is greater than 0. It will print the number. Let's make say n is greater than n. It will print it because it is false in the first case. If I will make it with while also. Let's run it. I will print 10 as it has been printed. Let's do with while loop. See, we will do with only with while loop. We did not need this. Cout n. Let's save it and run it. Enter, sorry, where it has gone. Enter the number. I should enter 10 as we have not get anything here. Let's we have learned about do while also. Let's make code this do nothing will be there parameter cout n ENDL, and I will decrement this number, and we can use from here. Suppose a is equal to 0. Let's print a here and increment a here. A should be incremented here, a plus plus here, while giving loop while a is less than n. Let's make it and run it. 6, it should print 1 2 3 4 5 2 4 6 number. Yes, we have get it. This is how we can use loops in our series in C++. Now we will go to file handling directly, because we have done many things. Structure union, enumerated, and everything is there same, but we will study about class in later video. But we will study file handling in the first part, because we need to cover the C file handling in C also, but it is not efficient in C, so I will make this in C++. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.